bud? Alright, buddy, you want to carry the battery?
Yeah.
For your tractor?
Yeah.
It's a little heavy. You can do it, though. Let's go. Go, go, go.
I'm trying.
It's heavy.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you're a big boy.
Yeah, Dad.
You need help?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Let's go. Let's hook it up. You excited? Alright, bud, jump on. Yeah, let's get to work. Ready. Hey guys, today we are cleaning up and getting ready for our chicken taste testing party coming up on Friday. And we're just trying to get the backyard farm cleaned up and straightened away so nobody thinks that we're messy farmers. Jacob, what you doing?
Picking up sticks.
Do you like to pick up sticks?
No.
Do you like to help out mommy and daddy?
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Please don't scrape my butt.
Why would I do that?
Because your butt's hot going towards me. My butt's sticking out.
Do you want to be a farmer?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A little.
A little. Just a little.
Work.
It is a lot of work.
Are you catching this on camera?
Yeah.
I'm going to use this as a bow and arrow.
With this chicken taste test party, it's not all about just tasting to see what the chicken, tastes like. It's also to get kind of people's interest, see what they, how they feel about the chickens, how they feel about how they were raised. We are a lot more comfortable with the way that our chickens are raised as opposed to the standard. So we just kind of want to gauge people's feelings on that, see what they would be interested in sales-wise, because we are wanting to start providing chickens for other people that are kind of thinking the same thing that we are, and the same mentality. So we're going to have some surveys that will just ask, if you were to buy chicken, what would you want, whole or half or pieces, and just different things, value-added products, stuff like that, chicken stock, livers, gizzards, stuff like that. So it's kind of a tester out there to see, what everybody's going to want, and if anybody's interested at all. Because if not, then we'll just produce them for ourselves, and that'll be fine. So,
Doing great.
Willow, what you doing?
I know.
Shaking the hay out?
Yeah.
Good job. You helping too, Jacob?
Yeah.
Thank you. Good job. Kids are hard at work. So we got some weeding done today, left some hay down for mulch, and with the research that I've done, seems like hay does really well with like vegetable as far as mulching goes, and wood chips do really well with perennials. But we do have one apple tree and one peach tree we just got this year and planted. They're doing well, not expecting any fruiting, just trying to create a nice tree before we get any type of fruit off of them. And So we worked hard here. The boys helped us, picked up some sticks from the yard. They're just laying around. Bucky loves to carry them every which way throughout the yard. Our chickens helped us out. Cassie did a bunch of work in this middle area here. We got a bunch of very invasive plants that just crawl all throughout here, so it's a lot of work getting them out of there. We're gonna lay some probably wood chips in this middle area. I'd really like to see that. But it's always nice to have some help from the animals, tilling up the ground, eating bugs, plants, stuff like that. So all we have is a chicken tractor built to hold up to 10 meat chickens at a time. We move this every day across the yard. You can see where they've been, where they haven't been yet, and they've been across this whole side of the yard over here already. You can see kind of tracks of feathers and whatnot that just fall off, but the grass is growing back great. We're already doing some grass therapy because we have free-range egg-laying chickens and they love the grass, so we're trying to bring it back from the winter because it kind of died off a little bit. But anyways, back to our lovely Cornish cross meat chickens. We actually have 2 batches in here right now. We've been buying them in batches of 5. So we have these guys that'll be ready to process in about a week or so. And then we have these younger guys that we just moved out to the backyard last week. And we were a little weary about it because we did move these older guys in with our Red Rangers that we just processed. That did not go well. The Red Rangers picked on these guys because they were smaller, but I think having the same breed together, it's not an issue. Ever since the moment we put them in here, they've just hung out together, cuddled together. The big ones showed the little ones how to drink out of the water cups, which was great. And they've all been getting along very, very well. I'm going to save this project for tomorrow because some of it's the kids, some of it's me, a lot of it's me. But this also doubles as our nursery and chicken brooder area in our garage back in this smaller half. We have an incubator. We just hatched out some eggs. And we have some little baby chicks, our barnyard mixes that we get from my wife's uncle. And they're adorable. So they just hatched some yesterday, I think some the day before that. And then we have another batch of Cornish cross meat chickens that'll be going out, probably out in the yard the next week. Next time we process chickens, we'll switch them out with some of these in the chicken tractor.